sing our creation song all the way to day 5. Here we go. God created, dark and light, dark and light. That was on the first day, that was on the first day. It was good, it was good. God created, water and sky, water and sky. That was on the second day, that was on the second day. It was good, it was good. God created, land and plants, land and plants. That was on the third day, that was on the third day. It was good, it was good. God created, sun, moon, stars, sun, moon, stars. That was on the fourth day, that was on the fourth day. It was good, it was good. God created, birds and fish, birds and fish. That was on the fifth day, that was on the fifth day. It was good, it was good, it was good. I just looked down and saw I forgot this dinosaur that swims in the